First fish of the day. Wife putting a beating on us, you guys. Let's see. Oh, shark.
Oh, it's alright, I'll take you.
Yeah, that's probably close. Yeah, that's 22, 24. I don't know, I don't feel too big yet. Oh, yep. It's
damn.
Ready? Yeah, there's the keeper. Yeah, good net job.
That's a good size.
Oh, nice.
The 24 and a quarter.
Yep. Nice.
Yep. Oh yeah. Wow. Got him.
Oh, small guy shaker.
Oh, shaker.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Here, bud, shaker.
All right. Well, small guy. Let him go.
Yeah, another 20 inches.
Dave, you're on.
This one feels better.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Striper. Yep.
I'm snoring. I was just snoring.
Oh, battery. Where's this at? I better get this out of the way. Yep, you're on here. Okay, hold on. Where we at? I gotta get this out of the way. Yeah. Where we at? I probably gotta go around you. No, this way.
How do you think you're gonna get better?
There we go. Nice. Oh.
Ah. It's all wrapped up, dude. Nice driver.
Nice.
What is he, babe? What is he?
I think 28.
28.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Nice catch, Amanda.
Good job, man. Oh, double brown. No. Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Hell yeah.
Are you serious? Yeah. Double brown. Look, brown on both sides. Yeah, look at that.
Nice. What is?
Taste it.
Mmm.
It's milk.
Mmm.
It's milk.
Yeah.
Try it.
It's a male for sure.
Yeah, that's cool though.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
We're wrapped. You want me to let this, I'm gonna let line out so you can get it up there.
That fucker's fat.
Going all over the place. Striper.
Ooh, striper? Heck yeah. There you go.
That thing was going all over the boat.
The kids are gonna eat eat tonight. The kids are gonna eat tonight.
Whoa.
That must be. Come on, good start.
I was wondering it was gonna be my turn.
I told you, you're next. You're next.
What do we got, baby? What do we got? Come on up.
Oh, halibut.
Oh,
Oh, take your time. Take your
yeah,
time.
yeah.
Take
Ready?
your time.
I'm gonna come back. Here we go.
Yep. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Every day. Hell yeah. Bro.
Nice.
Nice. That's probably the biggest fish for the day.
Here we go.
Oh, you have, that was a good hook too.
I'll get it right now. I'll get it.
Alright, now I want to get my line back out.
Yep, get it. Go for it. Go for it. I got it.
Oh,
27.
27, 3/4,
Yeah.
almost.
Hold on. No, 26.
26.
26, 3/4.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one.
Bam.